One editor gives you pro level control and the other one makes viral edits in minutes. So which one should you choose? Let's look into it. So Capcut. Capcut is a beginner-friendly video editor designed for fast social media content. So it's packed with like templates, AI tools, auto captions, trending effects, and everything, which is best for TikToks, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Whereas the Cyberlink Powerdirector here is a more advanced video editing software focused mostly on creators who actually needs deeper control over editing, effects, timeliness, transitions, and everything. The advantages of using these CapCut, I would say, or the pros of CapCut is that it's extremely easy to learn, beginner friendly, and you have a fast editing workflow, and you have amazing AI tools like auto captions, background removal, and everything. It's perfect for TikToks, Reels, and Shorts. And also the free version is also surprisingly powerful. You can use this free version as well. And the Powerdirector here, on the other hand, it has more professional editing features, and it has better timeline control, and it has a strong correction and audio tools. It's great for like long form YouTube videos, and it has faster rendering for powerful PCs as well. But on the downside here, the Power Director has a bigger learning curve. So if you're a beginner, you might have some issues to getting used to it, and the interface also can feel a bit overwhelming for beginners, and it requires a stronger computer for smooth performances as well. And CapCut, on the other hand, also has some drawbacks, like you have limited controls over for advanced editors. They have limited controls, and some features are locked for premium subscription. You can feel it's a bit template heavy. It's mostly all templates that you can use, and it's not ideal for cinematic or complex projects. So I would say you can go for CapCut if you want to create quick TikTok reels or shorts daily, or you want speed over complexity and you are just a beginner and you edit mostly on mobile, then this will be a better option. And also you can rely on AI tools for effects and stuff. But go for Powerdirector if you make YouTube videos or client projects. You want more creative control and you edit on the PC regularly. So and you want like professional level tools, then Powerdirector is the better option for you. So CapCut might be the fastest way to make content, but Powerdirector is the smartest choice if you want to level up as an editor.